today? I hope that all of you are quite well and fine. So, today's topic is how to disable the Windows Defender once and for all. Or you can do it just temporarily or permanently, is totally up to you and it's your choice. So, first of all, let's begin. So, first of all, search for Defender. If you search for defend, then the Windows security will show up, or you could just open it uh, from the settings panel. Now you have to go to this mm, virus and threat protection. Here's one thing to note. As you can see, I'm using Bitdefender antivirus. For my First of all, you have to click on the Windows Defender antivirus option. Click on it and make sure it is off. Turn off periodic scanning is off, turned off. Okay. And then the next and the most essential part comes. So now the essential part. So to disable the Windows Defender permanently, you need to. I'm sorry. You need to follow the steps that follow these steps that I'm going to show you, whatever that is. I apologize for that. First of all, you need to click on, you need to press on the Windows button and then R to open up the run. Now, here you have to type gpedit dot msc and remember that gpedit dot msc. Okay. Now click on OK. After clicking on OK, this window will supposedly appear. It will appear. Now after that, you have to look for the local computer policy. Here it is. So under the local computer policy there is computer configuration. Okay. Now there, under the computer configuration, there is a you have to look for the administrative templates. Here it is, administrative templates. Now expand it. After expanding it, you will have to look for the Windows component. There it is, Windows component. Now you have to expand this too. After expanding the Windows component, it will show a lot of folders and folders. But you have to look for the Windows Defender. Now look for the Windows Defender. So here it is. Now there are 4 Windows Defender folders. So what should you choose and what should so here you have to choose this one, the Windows Defender antivirus. There are others like Windows Defender Application Guard, Windows Defender Exploit Guard, Windows Defender Smart Screen. You have to ignore these three and choose the above one, Windows Defender Antivirus. Whether it is on the above or it is below, it doesn't matter. You have to choose um, this Windows Defender Antivirus. So double click on it. After double clicking, this settings kind of or window or whatever it is will appear. So here you have to look for the turn off Windows Defender antivirus. I have already enabled it, but for the sake of video, it will be